Other ways to say thank you. I'm so grateful. I appreciate it. Thanks for your hard work on this. I couldn't have done it without you. I owe you one. Much obliged. Thanks for having my back. Please accept my deepest gratitude. I have to give credit where it's due. This has been such a blessing. I can't thank you enough. That's so kind of you. Much appreciated. Thank you for taking the time to do this. Your support means the world. Many thanks. I'm beyond grateful. I sincerely applaud you. I'm forever indebted. I'm blown away by your kindness. It means the world to me.